Let's learn how to edit black paper with animated text list on CapCut PC. Let's start. Change the paper color. First bring the clip, timeline, and then go to adjustment, go to curves. This graph here, drag right handle all the way to the bottom. Go to the left corner handle and drag it all the way to the top. Click on video and scroll down to opacity and make it 23%. Add fold effects. Click into Effects, Video Effects, and then scroll down. Choose Texture. And then choose Folds, drag and drop into Timelike. And then go up, choose Nightclub. And then choose Rebound Swing. Make the size 5 and speed 2. Go to Stickers. Choose Fashion to find a human being face sticker to add here. I will use this. Adjust the text length with the video clip length. Move it like here. And that I want to do the animation. Go to Loop. Add Jiggle. I will add to lights like Ali's video. Under Mood you will find bulb stickers. Ctrl+C to copy, then Ctrl+V to paste on top of it. Add animated text list. Text here and then go trending. Choose default text and bring it into timeline. Enter text and copy the text and paste and edit text and repeat this again. Then go to Animation. Choose Loop Jiggly. Add the same animation for other two texts. Add this round circle on each text like Ali's one. Go to Stickers Journal and choose this round shape stickers for each text. Bring this stickers into timeline. Make this stickers 15%. Ctrl+C to copy, then Ctrl+V to paste on top of it, repeat twice. Export it. Results. Please subscribe to reach 1000 subscribers. Thanks for watching.